Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then you need to access the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Over here. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. Wherever you decided, you need to wait for the transfer to finish and close and add. As you can see after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!